Now, here's the thing. You need to realize that you actually are what you consume. You've heard this quote so many times, I know, but it's the truth, bro. Because your brain works like a system, right? It's a process. How does a process work? A process has input. You have the process itself, and you've got the output. Now, with this process, what is the input? The input is the YouTube videos you're watching, the things that you put in your brain, the books you're reading, the people you spend your time with. That that is the input, right? Now the process is your brain. You can't you can't fix your brain. You can't change the process of your brain. However, you want the outcome, right? The outcome is a byproduct of the input. So yeah, man, this is just it's a realization that I feel like you need to kind of go through. So let me ask you a question. What YouTube videos are you watching right now? You're probably not watching Mr. Beast videos anymore. Or you've probably been like growing up from that stage, right? However, you might still be watching. This is what I used to. I used to watch these Fortnite videos. I used to be heavily addicted to Fortnite, right? Like heavily addicted. I used to play probably like 12 hours a day. If I wasn't playing Fortnite, I was actually watching YouTube videos on how to play Fortnite because I wanted to be like this esporter. You know the drill, right? But what I realized is that I didn't even want to become an esporter. So what I'm doing right now is I stopped watching these videos. I stopped watching videos about like I don't know some random videos about crocodile attacks or shark attacks or I don't know like some random videos, right? I stopped watching hyper edited videos because here's the thing. A video is it's a non-binary, right? So on one side you have videos that are like very entertaining and the other side is like very educating. The entertaining side is like the Mr. Beast videos, the I don't know, all these videos where you just don't learn anything, you're just there to be entertained, right? That's completely fine. Like I have no problem with that. But you need to realize that this is not going to help you achieve your goals, right? Now, then you have this type of videos is more education. These are more the full guides. So for example, I made 8 hour long guide on how to make money basically, right? How to make your first $1,000 a month. In there I will explain everything on how I did it basically. And I think there's like it's like a spectrum, or I don't know how you say it. It's non-binary. What videos are you consuming right now? I want you to ask this question to yourself right now. What kind of videos are you consuming? Is it more the educational side, or is it more the entertaining side? The little Mr. Beast 9-year old videos. What is it? Where on the spectrum are you? And if it's more like the entertaining side, um, it's still like kind of talking about concepts of self improvement, or it's still a little bit talking about I don't know lessons or business. I want to ask you, why don't you watch more, even more educational content, right? I know the answer. I don't know if you know the answer, but it's because you're a pussy. It's because you are a bitch. Now, if you're watching like unedited videos that really try and teach you something instead of trying to entertain you, then yeah, sure, that's like, of course, that's fine. If you're watching full guides, that's fine. If you're watching courses, that's fine as well, right? But if you're watching these like highly edited, highly stimulating videos, then I genuinely think that you're kind of like a bitch. It's the same with YouTube Shorts. How do you expect to learn life lessons from a YouTube Short? How do you expect to shift your paradigm through a YouTube Short? You're not going to, bro. Do you see what I mean here? It's like you're just bitching out, basically. And I know not a lot of people actually speak about things like this in a way like this, but it's the truth. So yeah, man, that's just something I wanted to say. I do want to say I've got a full guide on how to make your first $1,000. You can watch that out if you decided to be more like the educational content. If you're a little bit less on the educational side of the content, then yeah, man, you can still watch these normal, like non-edited videos. That's fine as well. Um, I just want to ask you, like, what do you actually want to see from my YouTube channel? I want you to put that in the comments below, or you can say it in my school community or stuff like that. I don't really care about. Oh fuck! I hope you didn't hear that. But yeah, man, just tell me, because I want to create a full guide. I'm thinking about making a full guide on your mental health, or yeah, maybe habits, how to remember stuff, productivity. I don't know. There's a lot of different things that I could make a guide on, right? But I wanted to know it from you. I wanted to hear it from you. So please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And I will see you in the next video. Ooh.